welcome to Always Alyssa. How are you guys all doing today? Hopefully super great. Since you clicked on this video, that makes it even more awesome. Anyways, I'm doing a video today. It's a little bit different than my others, but basically I'm going to be doing a video giving you guys a life update on me. I'm going to be talking about my recent art projects, the sports I'm doing, all my, all the recent stuff in my life, I guess. So lately I've been especially busy with two things. Well, maybe more than two. But the first one is I've had a lot of art projects I've been doing recently, and I just haven't been getting them done super fast, so that's been super crazy. But the other thing that's even more crazy is 3 days a week we have a musical practice. So we're in a musical. It's the musical 13. I'm sure you've heard of it. Maybe you haven't, but just look it up. It's pretty fun. So we're gonna be in it. Most of us are in the ensemble, but Zach and Chris do get to play a lead part for 1 or 2 shows, so that's gonna be super exciting. There's like a ton of dancing, a ton of singing. It can be a little tiring at the end, I will say, but I really enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. So we have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday rehearsals, and it's coming close to Tech Week, which means we're gonna have our opening night soon. So I'm super excited for that. We have a ton of different costumes we get to wear, and we have to change backstage super fast. So it's a lot of fun. Also, since I was talking about art, I'm going to show you all the projects I'm currently working on. So here's the first one. It's pencil on black paper, which looks pretty cool so far. It's going to be a mushroom, as you can tell, and a butterfly, and just like super cool bright green grass. I think it's going to look pretty cool when it's done. I'm in the middle of filming it. I have my camera right here and my tripod set up. And I just finished this. I'm going to have a tutorial coming soon on my channel, so go and see it as soon as it comes out. It's going to be pretty cool. Also, one night I got bored and I just decided to do this dragon. It's in watercolor, and as you can see, it's not finished. I still have to do the trees, the mountains, and the sky, and the details, so this is long before being finished. And I also did this cute little baby, what's it called? A raptor, yes. This one is also not done. I'm gonna make a lot more details on it, so this is kind of just the base color and a few shadows, so it's definitely not done either. And these are both in watercolor, and I have to finish them both. I'm also working on this one. It's almost done. I'm excited for when it's finished. And this one right here, it's supposed to be sloppy, don't worry. But it was a reference for this one. And this was also a reference for this one. This is similar to what the end is going to look like, but I'm going to make mine a little different. Also, in a couple of my recent videos and family fun packs, I've been showing you guys these cute little dragons I've been making out of pipe cleaners. And I'm working on a new one, but it's actually a fox, so I'll show you. So far, I have the tail. Don't worry, you're not going to see all this when it's done. And I have the main body part. It's going to be pretty cute. And let's see, okay, these are the back legs right here. These are all the colors I'm using and like a ton of extra pieces. And toothpicks, because believe it or not, toothpicks actually help stay together. But here's the cute little face. The face is so cute. It's definitely my favorite part. I'm also working to try to fix the wings to make them red instead of silver. So that's what I'm doing on that one. And I'm planning on making more stuff when I have time out of all of these colors. So feel free to leave me some ideas, or if you want me to do a tutorial or anything, because that would be pretty fun. Something else exciting is I have a soccer game tonight, so I'm going to show you guys my jersey. In case you haven't seen it yet, it's actually a super pretty color this season, and I am number 7. I also had soccer practice just a couple of days ago, and I'm going to have soccer practice again in a few days. And I usually play, well, in case you didn't know, I usually play right mid. It's probably one of my favorite positions. And the awesome thing is, all of my games are at nighttime, so I don't have to put on sunblock or anything, or wake up early, since you know me. I'm a night owl. I hate waking up early, so it's just so awesome that they happen to me at nighttime. Okay, I haven't had lunch yet today, and I'm getting really hungry, so I think I'm gonna go get something to eat. But before I do, I want to tell you guys something yummy. I made a really good recipe the other day. It was like 8 o'clock at night, and I just decided, you know what? I want to make a dessert. I think that would just taste super good right now, so I decided to make peanut butter cookie bars, and they were so good. The only thing is, I didn't realize I was supposed to let it cool more, so we kind of ate it when it was still hot. So it was super mushy, but I know that sounds gross, but it was seriously so good. But once we realized we were supposed to let them cool all the way, we did overnight, and we cut more pieces. They were so heavenly. I might have to do a baking tutorial and show you guys how to make it, because it was like the best recipe ever. Anyways, talking about all this food, I'm just getting more hungry, so I need to go find something to eat. I decided to have grilled cheese for lunch and a little bit of bacon. Well, actually it's turkey bacon, but it's super good, so I'm gonna have some. Okay, so I just finished lunch. It was super good. I had grilled cheese sandwich with some turkey bacon and barbecue sauce. It was very good. I did kind of burn one of the pieces of bread, but I was like, you know what, who cares? I'll just eat it anyways. So it was kind of funny. I ended up eating anyways. It was good. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys some new clothes I got recently, and I want to show you how recently I reorganized my entire dresser. So my mom and I went through all of the shirts in my drawers and got rid of whatever didn't fit. We went through my shorts and my dresses and headbands and all of that stuff too. And you might be wondering why I have two of these black shirts with the stars on them. And that's because that is the shirt that I use for our musical that we're in, and I have to have black for part of it. So I have two of them just to make it easier. And this is where I keep all of my exercise shirts. I keep my shorts in these drawers and my pajamas in these ones. Here's two shirts that I got recently. Aren't they super cute? This one is super soft. I've been reading lots of books lately as usual, and let me show you the ones I'm currently reading. So I just finished reading these two, and these are the ones I'm currently on. Okay, so I thought I should share with you guys some things that I've been cleaning lately because I've been trying to tidy up my room and my bathroom. So I'm going to show you. This little place under my bed right here used to be a lot more messy, but I got this little organizer so I can put all of my cables and stuff in here, and some of my other stuff is back there, and all my books right here, and a cute little Pooh Bear, but it looks a lot more organized than it used to. I also got this bin for my pipe cleaner so they're not so, everywhere. I also got this cool little thing that like keeps your cables together, so then it's not as messy. Look how cool. I have this bin for all of my glow stuff, all of the reflective tape gloves and, all these lights. They're all in the same bin now. Owen helped me organize my Legos a little bit because, as you know, every time he comes in here, he kind of, plays with the Legos, but he kind of just trashes them. So I'm like, Owen, can you help me clean it up? So it at least looks a little better than it did. Oh yes, and my guitar right here reminds me of something. Some of you guys might already know this, but on Wednesdays, we always do music lessons. We do voice lessons, guitar lessons, / ukulele. I mean, David and I do guitar, and the twins do ukulele. And we also have a tutor who comes on Wednesdays who does math and English with us. And we get even more music done in a week because of our musical practice, which is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we get to sing and dance and do all that on those days too. Another little update is that I had a braces appointment recently, so that means I got my colors changed and a new wire and everything. It always kind of hurts when they put on the new wire. It's so annoying, but at least I got it over with. So here's my new colors. They're bright pink and teal on the bottom because I think pink and teal look pretty good together. Also, I got this new water flosser recently and I love it. I mean, I feel like it almost sprays at your teeth too hard. I don't know if you guys have one or not, but I mean, I use it pretty often. I still like it. And look, it's pink. I also organized my closet recently, so I have all my dresses here. We got rid of some that were too small. And I also put stuff in this little organizer. Okay, so I put my hair up. I didn't put hairspray in yet, so it looks a little messy. But I put it up because I'm gonna have my soccer game soon, so I'm about to go put on my jersey. Okay, so I'm all dressed in my uniform, and now I'm gonna go babysit Owen because I'm almost at the gym, and my dad went to go drop off Michael at soccer practice, so I'm gonna go find Owen right now. I also get to babysit cute little Miss Chloe right here. Say hi to everyone. Oh, she likes looking at all her little toys. You look really pretty, Chloe. Hi. Oh, how are you? Okay, now I just have to go find Owen. Hey, Owen. Owen? Owen, where are you? Owen, come here. I'm babysitting you. Owen? Owen? Maybe he's in his room. Either way, I have to hurry and find him because I have to leave for soccer super soon. And as soon as I leave, then my dad will be back so he can watch Owen and Chloe. But for now, I don't know where Owen is. Owen? Are you in here? I wonder why the curtains are shut. Owen, are you in here? Owen, are you hiding? He's not in there. Owen? Huh, that's really weird. I don't hear anything. He's not in here, right? Owen? Owen, where are you? Owen, are you upstairs? That's strange. Owen, are you in here? He doesn't look like he's in there. Owen? 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 Okay, he's definitely not in here. That's weird. Okay, I actually don't know where he is. This is so weird. I could have sworn he was here. This is so strange. Okay, I'm really starting to freak out now because Owen is usually like under the, like, what's it called, the mountain, playing his iPad, but he's not there. I've looked in like every room of the house. Okay, I'm starting to get really worried because there was like this weird guy outside of our house earlier. So, Owen, are you in here? Oh, Owen, you were here the whole time? Oh my gosh, I was so scared. I thought someone kidnapped you. Oh, I was so scared, Owen. You have to tell me next time, okay? So I know. Okay, I just got back from soccer. I'm all sweaty now, as you can tell. And we won our game 2-1. We played super hard. It was a really good game. And I got an assist, so that was pretty cool. Okay, so it's been a while. I showered and ate dinner and stuff. And I also had an apple with peanut butter for a snack. It was really good. And right now I'm just in my pajamas. And, well, I'm actually in here working on my art project. It's going pretty good. And I'm also going to work on this one because it is unfinished. So that's going to be fun. But anyways, I hope you guys loved my life update video today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!